This is a story of Dave and Sharon finally living their dreams of sailing to the Caribbean and beyond. Join us while we share our adventures from getting the boat ready and embarking on our cruising life.
So here we are at Port Canaveral, our new home for a while. Unfortunately at the dock. Eventually we'll be on the anchor. And I want to show you something. A mess. Yep. We're still moving stuff in, moving stuff out. Look at our galley. Oh my God. And so what am I doing? I'm cooking, let's see, onions, green peppers in the Instapot pressure cooker. That's Polish sausage, real Polish sausage. And then I'm gonna do rice, and I'll add some spices to it, and that's gonna be our meal for tonight. Just kind of throwing it together, inventing it as I go. Oh, you want to see a nap station? Oh, look at that! Look at that! It's hot. The AC's running, which is good. And out here is Sharon speaking to our daughter Melanie up in New Hampshire, enjoying her what is it, screwdriver, and having a talk while they cook. And I've got a there. I have a gin and tonic. Love gin and tonic when it's warm. So I'm getting ready to go with Arlo from Seduction over to look at a davit and rack for solar that's over on the Superamu next marina over. We'll walk over and check it out. So this is Arlo and I checking out this Superamu 2000, mostly for the davit rack on the back. And then I'm going to get some quotes from the stainless steel that he's got. This is, I'll get the name of it there. We're going to look that up. Superamu 2000. Big boat. Head is bigger than ours. Head's wider. And actually yours is quite a bit less obtrusive.
It's taller.
Huh?
It's taller too.
It's a little taller, but it's less intrusive than the big aluminum.
Yeah, it's also not on the deck. It's just I can't find aluminum.
Yep.
It won't hold the barbecue size.
Oh, it won't hold the,
But
okay.
You can get them to make them that size. I had these made to fit the aluminum 8-pounders.
Yeah, actually I like mine down in there. It helps keep the salt off a little bit, but
Well, these are for spares for the barbecue grill.
oh, yeah. There's going to be a SpaceX launch, the first manned rocket for a long time. It's going to come right up over there, okay, Canaveral, but we're going to be out there. Beautiful boat owned by Sam, right over here. Captain is Arlo, hand Mike, Sharon, Kelly, and Dave, and and mascot Phoebe. And we're getting ready supposedly to go out Cape Canaveral to watch the manned flight, the first manned flight in the US in a long time. And here's what we're looking at right there. See that? Thunderstorms. Look at this. This is, and you can't really see it, but down in here is crew quarters. They're not even connected to the boat. You have to go down through this hatch.
So Kim joined us. She was the last one to show up, but guess what? It's raining. And so Sam fixed us Pina Coladas. All right.
Oh, is this it?
Everybody's got Pina Coladas.
Hey, we are heading out. We're gonna go see the SpaceX launch. Did you see the rocket launch? Well, we didn't see much of it either, although we did catch the contrail on video.
And there's a tank under this table, right up, well, here to under the table, and the access to this one's under the table. So we're going to have to take this table off.
Okay, we're starting the process of cleaning out the water tank that's underneath the table and all the little screws are right there. They're bolted in with nuts, so you have to open each compartment to get the nuts and bolts out.
There.
So he's moving it.
And I should be able to move it straight over.
All this for the water tank.
Yep.
Not dropping it in.
Huh? I'm just wondering if these are chambered.
No, they are. They've all got baffles in them.
They all do.
Yeah,
So I have
that's
to
what
pull
this
each
is.
one.
Oh yeah.
To pull each one.
Yeah, and then the bottom, that side, is a hole about that big around.
Yeah.
At the bottom of each one, just like this.
Yeah. Well, I think I got two on mine. One
Okay.
on each side. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I only have one.
But yeah, that's what I had to do on this is to.
You
Sharon,
can't-
there's a wrench on the toolbox over there. There's
This one?
No, the other one. There's an adjustment wrench right there on top.
Having fun now.
Having fun now.
This is a small one.
He's good.
Yeah, I can probably wash that out with
I mean, the pressure washer.
with the pressure washer.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, that's over in the storage unit.
I've got one on board.
I do. So this is the other chambers of our water tank. There. And then that chamber. So we are going to I'm going to power wash this all. And then we'll vacuum it out. We'll pump most of it out and then vacuum it out.
So he put a hose down there with a broomstick tied to it to hold it there.
Oh, you want to see my... Just keep the thing straight.
That's it.
I just...
Jury rig. Okay, I am gonna put these two together. As soon as he tells me, he's going to start
Sucking the hose.
sucking the hose to get
Suck
the
the
water,
hose.
icky water started.
Ugh.
Here he is doing it. So then he put it the hose over the side so it'll drain all this icky water that's in there.
Doesn't look all that clear, doesn't it?
So I ended up having to clean on the underside of this. I used a mirror and a flashlight to see. Got a lot of ickiness out of all of these 3 holes here, 4 holes, one over there of the water tank. Now I am going to dump this and get fresh water and do it again on this pink roller.
The gel coat is coming off down there, and to re-gel coat it's a major job, so we're going to try flex glue. It's just a matter of how we get it on. Come on, stick. This is slick
Flex Seal.
Flex Seal liquid, and there's a, I'm not sure you can see it, there's a pipe down in here. In the front. It had gel coat on it and it's all chipping off, so we're just gonna Flex Seal right over that baby and hopefully it holds everything in.
So now we are putting the covers back on.
Now I was going to change the filter, but the filter seems to be pretty good. It's one of these great big 3M filters, but when I put it back up it's leaking probably right out of this, and I needed to lubricate it and can't find lube right now, so chapstick will do. So today was refrigerator project. The food on this rack and this rack would get frozen, especially in the back. It's a big block that freezes and then it gets a whole box. Down below was not such a problem because that box is just up here. So I got this pink insulation, just the styrofoam type insulation there and here, and I cut holes in it, and we'll see how that works. You'll see that this is the intake. And there was no filter on it. And so the cooling unit right here, the fins were clogged up. So what I did is, and you don't want to use paper on these because they'll clog up pretty quick. So trying to get this mesh, even find it, is impossible. So what I did is we went to Lowe's or Home Depot and we got 2 of these screens, and these are for kitchen vents. Goes up in the kitchen vent for the exhaust over the stove. So you can see it's a mesh, and then they just kind of fit conveniently. I had to overlap it. To fit them in to get enough space on there. It covers most of it. There's a little gap at the top here, but at least we'll keep most of the air going. We're sitting here having our cocktails. A couple Tissot screwdrivers. Oh, here, click to, and enjoying the 2 or 3 minutes we have to enjoy life right now. Hopefully things will eventually slow down. We'll have much more time to just enjoy the boat and enjoy life.
We want to say thank you to all of our viewers who have subscribed and commented. We appreciate your support and feedback. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps us build our channel up so we can keep bringing you more videos.